Welcome and welcome back. Yes, you read the caption right. Your girl is engaged. I'm super excited. I have to tell you everything that's happened since. But of course, let's cut back to the story. So I will tell you guys, give you a quick overview. So my fiance and I were actually going to dinner, and it was funny because it happened to happen that one of my good friends is going to be visiting in town, and he also wanted me to meet one of his friends. So we said, great. We set the date. We ended up picking a place. It's a new Italian restaurant in town. And they had another restaurant as an extension, but that restaurant was like an hour away. So it was nice to have a new, so to speak, chain of restaurant closer in town that we were going to go to. So because it was a like grand opening weekend, it was packed. It was packed. They couldn't keep any of the reservation times. Everything was delayed. Anything you could have thought would have happened. Parking was crazy. It was just, ugh. So eventually, after waiting, we ended up going. We get seated, we have dinner, and then after having dinner, we had some good conversation. Again, keep in mind, he's meeting one of my good friends for the first time. I'm meeting one of his good friends for the first time. So we had a lot of, good conversation, catching up, what's been going on, things to look forward to, so to speak, if you will. And in that whole thing, my fiance actually steps away and he says, hey, he was either getting, going somewhere, grabbing something real quick, coming back. I was like, yeah, sure, no problem. And he comes back and he has this beauty in the box. So, of course, I did accept. I'm super excited and grateful to move forward with him and to start our future and our journey. So, definitely wish us well. I do, of course, want to share what I have been up to since, and that is, of course, starting the wedding planning process. Oh. So definitely anything that comes to mind, tips or tricks, things you did in your wedding planning process that you feel would be helpful to us. Also things that you probably either wouldn't do again or things that you felt you could do better. Definitely let me know. We are in the process that we're starting at. I definitely will be sharing, of course, soon some of the venues that we plan on looking at and that we're going to be checking out in the future. Back to watching Kia's Lux Life, where I bring you all things fun, beauty, luxury, lifestyle, and some travel over on Travel Tips by Key Air. If that's something you're interested in, of course, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're notified when I have a future upload.